What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you how to put these sun visors in. As you can see, this one is a bit janky. The passenger side's not too much better. The trick is this tab right here. You see how there are these notches right here on this visor? Those have to go into the roof of your car a certain way. We're gonna take the old one out here. So, just gonna take our screwdriver and we're gonna press on that tab. We're also gonna turn a bit right there. So it comes right out. For this plug, we're gonna press right here on that tab and then pull it out. I'm gonna press just like that. So if we're looking at the visor right here, if you just get a screwdriver and you're gonna hit that tab, and you should, right there. So when we put it in, this part's gonna line up with the hole, and then this should line up with the other hole, and then we're gonna turn the whole thing once we get in, and then it's gonna lock into place. And you can see I already hit the tab, so this is loose. So I'm gonna keep it all the way loose, because when I turn it this way, if I keep going, it's gonna click and I'll have to undo the tab. So I'm all the way to the one side. Go ahead and plug her in. All right. And then we're lining it up. Shove that wire in there. Right there. Hear that click? Got her. That's how we replace the sun visor. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you learned anything from this. And good luck. Thank you.